Wow, Shiba Inu is now among popular crypto coins in South Africa and Ivory Coast. Shiba Inu among popular crypto coins in South Africa and Ivory Coast. Despite Nigeria being number one in Africa, you can see I love Shiba Inu so much because this coin have created millionaires, and I believe that this coin will still create more millionaires. And I'll keep on buying Shiba Inu gradually. But like what Amaya said, I will keep my Shiba Inu for a very long period of time. So if you are not holding Shiba Inu, if you don't have Shiba Inu coin, I will advise you buy a few coins of Shiba Inu, because anything can happen. Before you say or start thinking about it, take a look at the history of Dogecoin. Okay, take a look at the history of some of these coins. They were also trading with 4, 5 zeros. They all started with 7 zeros. Some started with 8, 10 zeros. Today they are even trading with 2 0, 1 0 or cent. Dogecoin did it, and from right now, from today, this 2023, this is July 15th, 2023. I'm telling you, in the next 5 years, you might be surprised to see the price of Shiba Inu. You were like, wow, assuming I knew 5 years ago, I would have invested just a little money on Shiba Inu, but it might be too late by then. So right now, Shiba Inu is really popular, especially in the Europe, in Asia, in Africa, and in America. But now in Africa, definitely South Africa and Ivory Coast are the leading holders of Shiba Inu coins. Yes, Shiba Inu, according to statistics coming from CoinGecko, the statistics shows that Shiba Inu is popularly held in South Africa and Ivory Coast than in any other African countries. So I believe that, wow, this is amazing to see that even the country like Nigeria, which is number one in Africa, but the other countries holding more Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is very popular in Nigeria. Yes, I'm a Nigerian, and I was like, wow, because I know how this coin is popular, especially in my country, Nigeria. And seeing that South Africa are the dominant in Africa, then followed by Ivory Coast, I was surprised. So Shiba Inu definitely just shows that how good, how popular this coin is, especially in Africa, in Europe, in America, and in Asia. So please, like I said before, buy Shiba Inu coin, but remember to invest what you can afford to lose. You don't need to invest much, but just hold some few coins of Shiba Inu. Okay, remember, this is not a financial advice. Thank you for stopping by.